SOLIDWORKS Model-Based Definition (MBD), which is a drawingless manufacturing communication solution helping you to define, organize, and publish 3D annotation, including 3D model data in industry standard file formats. SOLIDWORKS MBD captures complete product data, including title blocks, BOM information, product manufacturing information such as dimensions, tolerances, well symbols, GD&T, and others in multiple 3D views. SOLIDWORKS MBD helps company comply with predominant industry standards as the followings. With SOLIDWORKS MBD, you can customize the 3D output as templates for multiple deliverables, for instances, engineering drawing for RFQ, operation, manufacturing, QA, and procurement. Therefore, you can easily publish them in 3D PDF or an e-drawing file. In a nutshell, SOLIDWORKS MBD helps you to save time to communicate products data and gives you competitive advantages to win more contracts and deliver projects meeting compliances on time and on budget. Contact us now if you want to explore more about SOLIDWORKS MBD.